अक़वामी कल्चरल फेस्टिवल आर्ट्स कौंसिल कराची में 7 दिसंबर तक ये जारी रहेगा। इसमें 140 के करीब ममालिक से 1000 के करीब फनकार शरीक होंगे जो अपने फन का मुजाहरा करेंगे। साथ ही बात की जाए बैनुल अक़वामी आर्टिस्ट की तो उनसे बात करेंगे और जानेंगे कि वो कराची में पहुंचकर क्या महसूस करते हैं। आइए लक्ष्य।
Hello, my name is Tommy Forrest. I'm traveling all the way from Sweden. I'm a traveling artist and I do murals around the world. So now I'm based in Pakistan and doing 2 murals. So I present my own style, which I'm based in symbolism and nature. Hospitality that you were talking about is the most amazing I've ever had. I saw before I went here, I saw a video about it, about Pakistan on YouTube, and they said that they have the best hospitality. And I was like, wow, that's amazing.
I'm a French musician. I play the santur, which is an instrument from Iran, Persian instrument. And I've been invited by Arts Council Pakistan to play on the stage tonight. It's a great pleasure. It's an amazing country. We've been invited by very good conditions by Arts Council Pakistan. I live here. I live in Islamabad myself, so I've been invited down to Karachi.